What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the 29th of September. It's a Monday, and we'll be going over the price action on volatility 25S and 51S. Let's get right into it. So today we had a bearish day. We opened up the week hitting this daily order block here, and we sold off coming all the way down. The second day today, Monday, we went up and came back down, closed almost like a doji, and Tuesday's candle is already on the way, going back down. For the past couple of weeks, we've been stuck in this range. For the last couple of weeks, I'd say I'm over a month now, we've been in this range. Yeah, so ever since August, and now we're at the end of September, so pretty much 8 weeks stuck in this range here. On the 4-hour time frame, it's a little bit cleaner. We went up into the premium area, not quite there, but it's where we went to. The new daily candle went up and came right back down. The 1 hour, it's actually this order block here going up, and we came all the way back down here, closed somewhere around here, and so the new day opened here, and we just immediately went down. Let's go to the trading view where we could mark out some of the opportunities from today. So this was yesterday, Sunday. So we went up, swept the highs, nice little liquidity purge here before coming right down. So we had a purge here, then we had a change of character here before we had a return. This could have been a sell opportunity after the purge. So we had this candle here, so we could have got in right around here and setting stops above there. There was also another entry opportunity right around here, inside this here. So we ran above these highs, tapped into this fair value gap. The stops could have been here safely, and we just melted all of that. Would have been yesterday. Today, the first opportunity would have been a sell right around here. This was the first sell opportunity right around here. Let me bring this across here, and this here. The second opportunity would have been this buy. This could have been an opportunity to here, but the zone would have been this one if extended across. So there could have been a small buy here, and then we went up here and came all the way back down. This was a bit choppy before we managed to slowly grind our way back up to this 15-minute order block, or better yet, it would have been this 1 hour order block here. So slowly grind our way back up to there before we just melted off for the rest of the day. So that sell would have come in right around 10:45 this morning. We started melting. So yeah, that's the price action for today on volatility 25-1S. Let's go to 51S now, starting off on the daily time frame. And we did pretty much the same thing. Let's bring this here. We went up into this daily order block. We hit the 50% consequent encroachment, and we just came right back down. So Sunday, we did this to start the week, and well, actually, this would have been Sunday here. Went up to the 50%, and the other day we opened, which would have been today, Monday, went up couldn't get above the wick until we just managed to flip back bearish and coming all the way back down now. We came into this daily fair value gap here and see we're going down just the same. So let's see what the entirety of this week will bring. We're coming also to the end of the month. So today, which is this candle, actually is the last day of the month. So let us see what that candle will bring. So the high of the month was here, and I think the low of the month is already in, which is here. Yeah, so we're going to be inside the range here. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, this was the opportunity to sell from here, coming all the way down. A friend of mine caught the sell. I wasn't able to get into those sales, but that's just a part of the game. The 1-hour time frame now, we did this, manipulated back up before continuing to drop all the way back down to discount here, right here. Kind of just ranged out for the latter part of the day until we reopen here, and so we're coming back down at the same time. Now this is a little bit more refined. We traded up into this one 30 minutes OB. Let me refresh this. Traded up into this 30 minutes order block before we come back down here, and we just pretty much melted for the entire after day. Came back down into the discount. There's a 1-hour fair value gap here where we were just consolidated for the end of the day. Let's go down to the lower time frame and see if we can spot some opportunities where we could have got in. So let me move this here. So this is signifying the close and the reopening of the day. So this here, we had the buy here first, which was Sunday to start the week. And we just pretty much traded back into this order block here before we just sold right off. So this could have been the entry, or this right here, which stops above here, and you could have held for pretty much all day until we hit the low of the day here. At some point in time, it seemed like we were going to bounce. I would have been looking at, seemed like we didn't draw that. I would have been looking at this other block, but we traded through it. Came a little bit down to 50% where we could have caught a buy. I think this would have been the fair value gap down here that we bounced from before going back up. So that was the opportunity for the buy here. Also, there was an opportunity for a sell right around here. Stops would have to be above the highs. Above the highs, and targeting the lows just the same. So those were the opportunities of the day. I won't even bother going to the lower time frame to catch this kind of a choppy price action. It's aligning with some lower time frame order blocks here, but that's pretty much it. It was merely just one small buy here, one small buy there, and then the sell that took us all the way back down to lower the day. Now we might be heading all the way down to target these lows, but let us see. Now that is pretty much it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I see the channel is slowly growing. I like the little traction. Thank you guys for the support. And I'll continue to share the journey and help you guys to understand these markets.